Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling Python Exceptions Inside Exec, with External Printing. Introduction. The exec function in Python allows dynamic execution of Python code. However, when an exception occurs inside the exec block, it can be challenging to capture and handle the exception from the external code that invoked exec. This tutorial will guide you through the process of printing Python exceptions thrown inside the exec function from outside. Example code. Let's consider a simple example where we have a Python script containing an exec block that may raise an exception. Now, we want to invoke the execute_dynamic_code function from another script or module, catch the exception raised inside exec, and print the traceback information. Explanation. Define the execute_dynamic_code function. This function contains the exec block with a simple division by zero operation, which will raise a zero division error. Catch the exception within execute_dynamic_code. Inside the execute_dynamic_code function, we use a try except block to catch any exception that might occur within the exec block. If an exception is caught, it is re-raised to be handled externally. Import the function in the main script. In the main script, main_script.py, we import the execute_dynamic_code function from example_script.py. Invoke the function and catch the exception. We call execute_dynamic_code inside a try except block to catch any exception raised during its execution. Print the exception traceback. If an exception is caught, we use the traceback.print_exc function to print the detailed traceback information, including the type of exception, the error message, and the line number where the exception occurred. By following this approach, you can effectively capture and print exceptions thrown inside the exec function from outside. This can be particularly useful in scenarios where dynamic code execution is necessary, and you want to handle any potential errors gracefully. ChatGPT.